Hello, Internet. Whenever I'm posting this, I don't know when I'm posting this. I am going to take apart an Xbox 360 hard drive today. Specifically, this one. It is 60 gigabytes. And inside is a hard drive similar to this one. This one I took from a 20 gigabyte one that I took apart myself, so I know how to take this one apart. As you can see right there. So, yeah, let's just get to it. So, the screwdriver bit you will need to take this apart is a Torx bit. I believe I know you're going to need two Torx bits, two types. We just double check out on the numbers. Make sure I don't mess it up. It is a... is this upside down? Yes, this is upside down. You will need a Torx, I would guess, 7, and a Torx, 9 or 10. So, let's get started. Personally, I'm currently using a Torx 7-bit. If for some reason the screws on your hard drive are stripped, you might need to use a bigger bit. Let's see if we can get footage of this. Let's see. Yeah, it's not very clear footage. No, that's not great. Whatever, I'll just be holding it right here. Okay, so first off, we're looking at these two screws. Let's see. Nope, I overestimated. Torx 7 is too big for my screws. So I am now going to go in here and take this out and try a 6. Okay, let's see, does this lock in place? Yes, it does. Okay, now we got it. Okay. Here we go, we got screw 1. Actually, I'm gonna go to the magnetic parts stash. This is just a generic magnetic parts tray, nothing special. Right there you can see yourselves, I guess. Cool. Okay, let's keep filming. Also, beware, there is a Scroungers Microsoft label that will void any warranty that you have on the Xbox hard drive. Your Xbox warranty will still stay intact. Personally, I voided my Xbox warranty trying to fix it. Actually, my dad did, and then I did. So, yeah. We're just gonna unscrew these. Hopefully I can just cut most of these clips out. I don't really need them. Need to put this in, and I'd rather have this be a shorter video. Although who knows, maybe it'll be a step-by-step. Which, if so, that's cool. Okay, now we have these two bottom screws unscrewed. Now we need to unscrew these two. First off, I'm just gonna unscrew this one. And actually, depending, no, never mind, I'm not gonna say that. There we go, put that in. Then just peel off the Microsoft sticker. So hard to peel. There we go. There we go. Looky here. Looky here. There we go. Okay. And then it'll be pretty clear to Microsoft employees that you voided your warranty, because you'll end up looking like that. Okay, but there is a screw right there. So yeah, gotta unscrew that. Now we have the juicy part, the insides. And then you might need to use a prying tool of sorts to get this open. Personally, I didn't have to this time. And now we got the insides. We can just take parts out. So it doesn't really matter. And then here's where you need the bigger Torx bit. Because, as you can see, what's that? Oh, it's just on the connector. Because, as you can see, this, and this are all different bits. Are all a different bit from the first 4, I believe, that we unscrewed. Yeah, it was 4. So let me take this. Here, and then I would guess it would be Torx 10. So I'm gonna try Torx 10 because I don't know for sure. There we go. There we go. Yes. It was a Torx tag. I think. Yeah, that's a Torx 10, alright. That is a Torx 10 screw for sure. just go like that. Okay, now you have full view of the 60 gigabyte hard drive in here. By the way, this, I believe, is a newer revision, so you'll either get something like, whatever. You'll either get something like, per se, this, which is a bit older, or you might get something newer, like what's in this one. Yeah, there's something holding this on, but whatever, I gotta work around. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, since I don't have any professional tools for this, I would not recommend you do this, because you can severely damage the connector on your hard drive. But I don't have any other tools to do this, so I'm just gonna do it with my fingers. There we go. There we go. Okay, I got it unplugged, as you can see. Right here. So now we got this hard drive. But it can't come out. So what are we to do? So, one, you can pry this off with a prying tool. There's some double-sided tape on the bottom. Or you can do the safer method, and personally my favorite, and just bend these. Boop. 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 Then you've bent these, then the hard drive will lift up slightly, and then you can lift it up over that. And then this is a Fujitsu hard drive, okay. Okay. And then Fujitsu hard drive. Since I took apart a 60 gigabyte hard drive for an Xbox, I'm guessing this will be 60 gigabytes. But I don't know what dodgy stuff they do in that in the Xbox factory. Let's see. Yeah, 60 gigabytes. Okay. It's not much, but it's something. I mean, no, we got two hard drives that together would work as, if you configured it correctly, would work as a 80 gigabyte hard drive together. As you can see right here, got this one and this one. Both are serial ATA compatible. So that about wraps up the video. Bye.